Welcome to the Story Guide. Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius, revolutionized our understanding of space, time, gravity, and the universe itself. His theories of relativity, particularly special and general relativity, reshaped the foundations of physics and continue to influence scientific thought today. Beyond his groundbreaking scientific contributions, Einstein was also a complex and fascinating individual, known for his pacifism, his social activism, and his iconic image. This exploration delves into the life and work of Albert Einstein, tracing his journey from a curious child to a world-renowned icon. Early life and education, seeds of genius. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, to Hermann and Pauline Einstein. His early childhood was unremarkable, and he was even late in learning to speak, a fact that caused some concern to his parents. Contrary to popular belief, Einstein was a good student, particularly in mathematics and physics, though he sometimes chafed under the rigid and authoritarian educational system of the time. A pivotal moment in his childhood came when his father showed him a compass. The seemingly magical way the needle always pointed north sparked a deep curiosity in the young Einstein, igniting a lifelong fascination with the hidden forces of nature. This early experience, coupled with his voracious appetite for reading and his independent thinking, laid the groundwork for his future scientific pursuits. In 1894, his family moved to Italy, leaving Einstein behind in Munich to finish his schooling. However, he found the atmosphere stifling and eventually joined his family in Italy, renouncing his German citizenship. This period of freedom and exploration further fueled his intellectual development. Einstein later enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, Switzerland, with the aim of becoming a physics teacher. He initially struggled with some of the more practical aspects of the curriculum, focusing instead on his own independent studies of advanced physics. It was during this time that he met Mileva Maric, a fellow physics student from Serbia, who would later become his first wife. The miracle year, a burst of creativity. After graduating from the Polytechnic School in 1900, Einstein struggled to find a stable academic position. He worked briefly as a mathematics teacher and then as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland. Despite the seemingly mundane nature of his work, Einstein's intellectual curiosity remained undiminished. He used his spare time to delve deeper into the mysteries of physics, engaging in thought experiments and challenging existing theories. 1905 proved to be Einstein's annus mirabilis miracle year. In this single year, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that revolutionized physics. These papers covered topics ranging from the photoelectric effect to Brownian motion and, most importantly, the special theory of relativity. Photoelectric effect. In this paper, Einstein explained the photoelectric effect, the phenomenon where electrons are emitted from a metal when light shines on it. He proposed that light, in addition to behaving like a wave, also consists of discrete packets of energy called photons. This idea laid the foundation for quantum mechanics, a new branch of physics that governs the behavior of matter at the atomic and subatomic levels. This work earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Brownian motion. Einstein's paper on Brownian motion explained the seemingly random movement of particles suspended in a fluid. He showed that this movement was caused by the collisions of individual molecules, providing strong evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules. Special relativity. This paper introduced the special theory of relativity, which postulates that the laws of physics are the same for all observers moving at constant velocity relative to each other, and that the speed of light in a vacuum is constant for all observers, regardless of the motion of the light source. This theory had profound implications for our understanding of space and time, demonstrating that they are not absolute but relative to the observer. It also led to the famous equation E equals mc squared, which expresses the equivalence of mass and energy. General relativity, a new theory of gravity. While special relativity dealt with uniform motion, Einstein's next major achievement was the development of the general theory of relativity, published in 1915. This theory extended special relativity to include gravity, describing it not as a force but as a curvature of spacetime caused by the presence of mass and energy. General relativity had far-reaching consequences, predicting phenomena such as the bending of light by gravity and the existence of black holes. It provided a new framework for understanding the universe, replacing Newton's theory of gravity, which had held sway for over 2 centuries. The theory was initially met with skepticism, but its predictions were soon confirmed by observations, solidifying Einstein's status as a scientific giant. Fame and recognition. A global icon. The confirmation of general relativity in 1919, during a solar eclipse, catapulted Einstein to international fame. He became a global icon, recognized not only for his scientific achievements but also for his unconventional personality and his advocacy for peace and social justice. Einstein's fame allowed him to travel the world, giving lectures and meeting with other prominent scientists and intellectuals. He became a vocal critic of nationalism and militarism, advocating for a world government and nuclear disarmament. His pacifist views often put him at odds with the political establishment, but he remained steadfast in his convictions. Later life and legacy, a continuing influence. In 1933, with the rise of Nazism in Germany, Einstein, who was Jewish, left Germany and settled in the United States, where he joined the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. He continued to work on unifying theories in physics, attempting to combine gravity with electromagnetism, but he was ultimately unsuccessful. Despite his later struggles, Einstein's contributions to science remain unparalleled. His theories of relativity have had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe, and his work on quantum mechanics laid the foundation for many technological advancements. Beyond his scientific achievements, Einstein's legacy extends to his social and political activism. He was a passionate advocate for peace, equality, and human rights, using his platform to speak out against injustice and oppression. His image as a brilliant and eccentric scientist has become ingrained in popular culture, making him a symbol of genius and intellectual curiosity. Albert Einstein died on April 18, 1955, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire and challenge us. His work has not only transformed our understanding of the physical world but has also shown us the power of human intellect and the importance of using our knowledge for the betterment of humanity. Key contributions of Albert Einstein. Special relativity revolutionized our understanding of space and time, introducing the concepts of time dilation and length contraction, and establishing the equivalence of mass and energy E equals mc squared. General relativity described gravity as the curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy, leading to new insights into the nature of the universe, including the bending of light by gravity and the existence of black holes. Photoelectric effect explained the phenomenon of electrons being emitted from metals when light shines on them, laying the foundation for quantum mechanics and the concept of photons. Brownian motion provided a theoretical explanation for the random movement of particles suspended in fluids, providing evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules. Cosmology contributed to our understanding of the large-scale structure and evolution of the universe. Conclusion: a timeless genius. Albert Einstein's life and work represent a remarkable chapter in the history of science and human thought. His groundbreaking theories of relativity transformed our understanding of the universe, while his contributions to quantum mechanics laid the foundation for many modern technologies. Beyond his scientific achievements, Einstein was a passionate advocate for peace and social justice, using his fame to promote a more just and equitable world. His legacy as a brilliant scientist, a humanitarian, and a symbol of genius continues to inspire generations, reminding us of the power of human curiosity, intellect, and compassion. He remains a timeless figure, his name synonymous with genius and his image an enduring symbol of scientific revolution.